What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel your CapCut subscription on Android. Whether you're subscribed to CapCut Pro by accident, you're no longer using it, or you just want to avoid the next charge, this step-by-step guide will help you cancel your CapCut subscription under 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and open your CapCut app. Now click this Me button at the lower right corner. Then click this Standard button beside your user ID. Then you will get to this page. After that, click this Manage button. Then you will see your current subscription in here. Now click Cancel Subscription. Then cancel Auto Renewal. Here at the bottom, select Cancel Subscription again. Then select your reason for canceling. You can just choose Decline to answer, that would be fine. Then finally, click Cancel Subscription. And that's it. The subscription status here, as you can see, should now be cancelled. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, peace out.